In this video, I will explain how speakers and microphones work. You will learn how they capture, convert, and reproduce sound waves. Sound waves are created when an object vibrates and sets the air in motion. These air movements spread in waveform and can be perceived by our ears. Depending on the frequency of the waves, we hear different tones. Volume and pitch depend on the strength and frequency of the sound waves. A speaker consists of several parts that work together to generate sound. A coil is attached to a movable diaphragm and surrounded by a magnet. When current flows through the coil, a magnetic field is generated, which moves the diaphragm. This movement creates sound waves that we hear as tones. An electrical signal controls the movement of the diaphragm in the speaker. The diaphragm moves back and forth rapidly, creating sound waves in the air. The shape of the waves depends on the electrical signal coming from the amplifier. The stronger the signal, the louder the produced sound. A microphone works similarly to a speaker, but in reverse. It has a diaphragm that responds to sound waves and moves as a result. This movement is transferred to a coil or another electronic component. This converts sound into electrical signals. When sound waves hit the diaphragm of a microphone, it begins to vibrate. These vibrations generate small electrical voltages in the coil or capacitor. These voltages are amplified and processed further. This allows speech or music to be converted into electrical signals. A microphone captures sound and converts it into electrical signals. A speaker does the opposite, converting electrical signals into sound. Both devices work with vibrations and magnetic fields. However, they have different designs and functions. Microphones are used in many areas such as telephones, cameras, and concert equipment. Speakers can be found in televisions, headphones, and sound systems. Both devices are important for sound transmission and communication. Without them, we could not hear music or speech through devices. Modern speakers and microphones have become more powerful due to new materials and technologies. Digital signal processing improves sound quality and reduces unwanted noise. There are also special directional microphones that capture sound only from a specific direction. These developments continuously improve sound quality and usability. Without microphones, we could not make phone calls or record sounds. Speakers allow us to listen to music and enjoy movies with sound. Both devices make communication over long distances easier. They are an important part of our daily life and modern technology.